By default, the toolbar for the analog displays is docked on the right side of the main window. If you put the mouse on the dotted line, you can drag the toolbar and place it anywhere on the screen or put it in the top part of the main window. The functions in the toolbar can be freely selected. To do this, click with the right mouse button onto the toolbar. In the appearing dialog, you can configure which functions shall have a button in the toolbar. Afterwards, click Close. Zoom functions in the toolbar are very important for checking recorded signals, so let's try some of them. With the plus and minus symbols in the toolbar, the waveform can be reduced or enlarged by a factor of 2. To enlarge or reduce the x-axis, use the two X zoom buttons in the toolbar. Every click also has a zoom factor of 2. In the same way, you can use the two Y zoom buttons to reduce or enlarge the signal's amplitude in the display window. Using the button Show Full Signal, the complete signal is displayed, as large as is possible, in this display window. To demonstrate the next functions, we're clicking the minus button twice to reduce the whole signal. Now, using the Show Full X Signal button, only the x-axis is zoomed as large as is possible. If you click the Show Full Y Signal button, the same happens for the y-axis. If you want to zoom in by marking parts of the waveform with a mouse, click the button Define Zoom Area On/Off once. Now the function is activated and the button has a blue frame around it. The next step is to define a zoom area by holding the left mouse button while marking a part of the waveform. After releasing the mouse button, the selected part fills the whole display. There are also undo and redo buttons for the zoom in the toolbar. Click on the undo button to return to the original view.